Israeli War Cabinet Minister Benny Gantz has issued a stark ultimatum, threatening to resign unless Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu outlines a comprehensive post-war strategy for the Gaza Strip by 8 June. Gantz demands a plan to achieve 6 key strategic goals, including ending Hamas rule in Gaza and establishing a multinational civilian administration for the territory. If you prioritize the national interest over personal agendas, we will be your partners in this struggle, Gantz stated. But if you choose the path of extremism and lead the nation towards disaster, we will be compelled to leave the government. Netanyahu dismissed Gantz's ultimatum as empty rhetoric, asserting that it would mean defeat for Israel. The rift within the Israeli government comes amid ongoing intense fighting at both ends of the Gaza Strip, with Israeli forces operating in Rafah in the south and Jabalia in the north, an area previously declared clear of Hamas fighters by the Israeli military. Gantz's demands follow recent comments by another War Cabinet member, Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, who urged Netanyahu to clarify that Israel has no intention of maintaining civilian and military control in Gaza. Gallant argued that such control would heighten Israel's security risks, a view echoed by Gantz. However, some far-right members of Netanyahu's coalition argue that continued control is necessary to defeat Hamas. In a televised address, Gantz emphasized the gravity of the situation. The people of Israel are watching you, he told Netanyahu. You must choose between Zionism and cynicism, between unity and division, between responsibility and chaos, between victory and disaster. Gantz's 6 strategic goals also include securing the return of all Israeli and foreign hostages held by Hamas, ensuring the return of displaced Palestinian civilians to northern Gaza by 1 September, and continuing efforts to normalize relations with Saudi Arabia as part of a broader strategy to build an alliance with the West against Iran and its allies. Netanyahu responded by warning that meeting Gantz's demands would result in the end of the war and a defeat for Israel, abandoning most hostages, leaving Hamas intact, and leading to the establishment of a Palestinian state. The war cabinet was formed following a brutal Hamas attack on Israeli communities near Gaza on 7 October, which resulted in around 1,200 Israeli deaths and numerous hostages taken. Israel's ongoing military campaign in Gaza has, according to Hamas-run health ministry, resulted in 35,386 deaths.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.